Welcome to Mania Splunk Lab. Let's see how to easily purchase your Lab packages. Click on more details to view or hide extra information. This helps you compare environments quickly. You can select only one Splunk environment at a time. For example, if you first choose standalone and then try to select distributed cluster, a pop-up will appear saying environment conflict. Click replace environment to switch. Remember, one purchase, one Splunk environment. With your Splunk environment, you can add one or more security data sources. This can be purchased along with your environment. Once selected, your choices stay in the cart. When ready, click View Cart. You can remove items anytime using the delete icon. Review your hours and packages and then click Proceed to checkout. A confirm package pop-up will display your environment details, validity and refund policy. Check the box to confirm you understand the terms, then click Next. Enter your full name, email and phone number. If you selected the standalone or distributed non-cluster, you can also choose if you want Splunk installation and bots with pre-installed. For distributed cluster, you will only see Splunk installation. Cluster configuration is done after purchase. Next, click Proceed to Payment. The payment page shows your package price and available options like UPI, cards, EMI, net banking, and wallets. Complete your payment securely. After successful payment, you will see a confirmation pop-up and also receive an email with payment details. Your service will be assigned within 20 minutes and you will get a welcome email with your environment details. The email includes a direct link to your lab page. Click it to go directly or open the Splunk Lab website and click My Lab. You will be redirected to the login page. Click Sign in with Google. Select your Google account, allow access, and you will be sign in. After login, you can view your personalized dashboard with all your servers and environments. That's it. Thank you.